G'day guys, Greg here, just here to show you what we can do here with this video, and just to show you how this this system, the back-end system works, which is basically all ready to go. And so what I've got here is a blog post that you see in front of you here. This is what I've created. Now these blog posts, this is my blog that you're actually looking at. But these blog posts here, we can create these training articles or videos and place them on the blog here about any particular topic that we like. And so all we need to do then is send an email out to the team, and they can, with a link in it, and they'll be able to click onto that and get onto the blog here and read the information and view the video, and so how we do that. Well, this is the blog article itself that I've put here just as a sample, right, to show you what can be done, right. And so once we've created that, and this can be about anything that you like. It can be, it could be a testimony. It could be a product or a company specific article. It could be motivation. It could be anything that you like, some new way of doing something, and so we place it on there. Then from there, once we've created the blog post, what I do is I go over to this piece of software here called iContact, which Tim, you'd be familiar with this, right? And this is inside of iContact where I create emails. And as you can see, I've prepared this email to send to you guys, and I'll send this to you first, this particular email that I've got in front of me here, and then I'm going to send you an email pointing to this video once I've uploaded this video, right? And so you'll actually see this particular email that you see here in the center. You'll see that in the video. So there you go, first name or F name in brackets, the Big Buzz Team News. Okay, so what we do here is we prepare an email, quite simple, and this software handles the entire team, whether it's 100, 1,000 or 100,000. Makes no difference. And then we can track it. There's, as you can see up here, there's advanced tracking where that button is there, and we can manage multiple lists and do tons of stuff with that. Okay, now from once we create the blog post and we send the article out, what I'll be doing is I've created what I call a library page, I guess you could call it, and that's basically what you see in front of you here, right? And on this library page we'll put links to the blog post. Now if I was to click on this link, this particular link here, it would take us over to the blog post that I created earlier on, okay? And every single email that'll go out to our team will have a link on it to go to the library. So when new people come in, and I expect this thing to be absolutely huge. It could be flooded with people, right? They'll have access to all of the articles that we've created on the blog with links here. And you can see I've categorized, and we can add categories in later on. But to start with, I've got general, leadership, internet-based training, and also product or company. Okay, so that's really how it works. And so we've got we create the blog post, then we create an email to send out to the team, and place a link on this page, right? And in every email that goes out, there'll always be a link going up to the library page, so everybody has access to all of the materials, no matter at what stage they come into the team, right? And so that's really all there is to it. That's the back end of this system complete. From now on, it's just a matter of just creating the training, which is going to be very, very easy. Now, I thought I'd mention, while I've got this here and I'm showing you this, the different types of videos that we can do. Now, you're familiar with the other type where you just use an ordinary video camera to record. It could be just like I recorded Tim the other day in the office. You could be outside recording something. We could be recording a meeting or something specific that you want to say. This thing here is a piece of software that I use on the computer called Camtasia, and what it enables me to do is I can flick backwards and forwards. I can create all sorts of diagrams and flowcharts on here and discuss them. I can jump backwards and forwards between web pages and different things, and as you can see, a lot of network marketers / internet marketers are using Camtasia now for training. I have watched literally dozens and dozens of them, and so it's going to be a very handy tool for teaching people technical things, and they will need to know some of these things as the team grows and gets bigger. Yes, we're going to be they're going to need to know things. So anyway, guys, and the beauty of this, this one last point before I go any further, by creating everything on the blog, right now, even though it's back-end training, right, whatever we create here, like in this instance, I've created an article about Robert Kiyosaki's 2008 financial predictions, right, and there's a video on here. Well, the beauty of that is, first of all, I've created an article on the blog that the search engines will pick up. Now, I'm getting people visiting this blog every day, and the biggest day I've had so far is 260, I think it is. It's either 230 or 260, right? So people are finding this on the search engines and getting onto the blog, and each time I create a page on this blog, it's like creating an extra piece of real estate. Okay, now the other thing is that there will be a video. Now these videos, I can not only put on YouTube, but I can also simultaneously send it out to 10 other video sites that people are frequenting. Okay, but we only need to put one here, and YouTube would be the most common one. So what you've got here is, in creating a back-end training funnel, which is what we're essentially doing, right, you're also creating a marketing funnel that's working for you, both in the blog post and also in the videos, right? And I'll actually be able to capture leads off this particular blog, and I've had people contact me off this blog, and I've actually had people buy stuff off this blog, right? But even though it's a back-end training system, it will double as a front-end marketing tool as well. Okay, and that's the beauty of using a blog and video, is the power of it. Okay, so anyway, so I just thought I'd show you that, guys. I'm going to put this, once I finish this, I'm going to put it up on YouTube and get it ready for you, and then I'm going to forward that email out to you, the one that's sitting in iContact waiting for you. That's just a sample email to show you the type of newsletter email that we can send out. It's just a basic email, and then I'm going to send this out, another email out with a link to this particular video that I'm creating, so you'll get an idea of what's going on. Okay, guys, that's about it for now, and so I'll leave it with you, and look forward to catching up with you guys next time. I won't keep this video up on the internet long, just long enough for you guys to get an idea of what's going on with all of this. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.